Hi, my name is Johannes Bartl. I'm a personal trainer in Los Angeles and a content creator on social media.
My name is Shane McGrady. I'm the co-owner and founder of Rep Fitness.
We are getting ready for the very first workout in this beautiful gym. I wanna bring this first workout in here with you, so it's not gonna be just me. We can share the first workout, and it's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, man. I'm looking forward to it. I'm gonna put Johannes through a ringer here.
Who's gonna win today, guys?
Serious question or like for real?
I mean, this is all of my gear. I know how.
I know you set it
how
up,
to use
but like
it, you know.
you bring it, and I do the work with it.
Johannes thinks that he's a trainer, and we'll see.
Yeah, let's just do it.